Alright, give it a third gear banger.
Yeah, it doesn't go straight.
It definitely does not. Just a second. So we got Nick Starlet back again. He absolutely hates it with the welded diff. And the problem is when he goes to launch down the road and give it some boost, it steers off the road. And I think the main problem here, oh Nick, bounce on the front end.
Sorry?
Bounce on the front end. I reckon the main problem here is the shock absorbers are absolutely stuffed. So we've got a whole set of shock absorbers to put in it. And I think what that'll do is when you try and gas it down the street, the front of the car won't lift up, causing bump steer and things like that, and it should stay nice and solid. Yeah, Nick, remember I was telling you my other Starlet had the coilovers in it, and you gas it, and it would just go in a straight line.
This does not do that.
No, this goes, there's a tree, go that way, or there is a pedestrian, it just wants to...
Literally when I left your shop the other day, I almost hit the gunner, like I took it off and it just pulled me straight into the gunner. I had to get off it because I almost crashed it.
And it's also, what are they, like inch wheel spaces on the front?
Yeah, 30mm wheel spaces on the front, so
Yeah,
that's probably...
they need to come off because I think rather than the wheel just turning like this on the spot, it's trying to turn it around like that because of the wheel spacing. So we'll flog those off, put the standard wheels back on it. Can you push down the back? Yeah. So she's not happy. Yeah, so we've got 3 shock absorbers and I've told Nick to go and track down another one.
It's not great, but it's probably better than when I go on there. So I chopped the spring on the grey Starlet.
Where's the other spring?
What do you mean?
Oh, we'll have to take it off your car,
Yeah.
righto. Okay.
The shock absorber is fucked.
I'm glad I was watching because I reckon you would have just put that in.
No.
One chop spring.
I think it's an aftermarket one as well.
Oh, sick.
But it's better than what's in there, even though it looks...
Zoom there. Up in his grills.
Those are pretty fat wheels though. $120 on Facebook Marketplace. Big dirty faces.
Where'd you even get those spaces?
JustJap.com.
Yeah, they're actually somewhat legit.
Like they felt like pretty good spaces.
How much were they?
$90,
$90, I think.
$90 a pair, I think.
So that
Put them,
was shit.
well, you can put them on the back with a standard 13
ha-
for correction.
We had to do it because the those gold balls don't do their fucking brakes.
Nah, and the back's already got spaces as well.
All right. Do you have the 19, Nick, for the bottom strut bolts?
Oh yeah.
You do that. Don't know.
Oh god.
Well, Nick, what if we chopped in here and then just bent the hub in a little bit?
You could do that, honestly. If you want to be a mad dog. But
Like if you did one angle grind cut and then put the jack under it, or just actually sit the car back on the ground, it'll go,
And then weld it back up.
yeah.
yeah, you could do that if you.
Oh, don't even bother welding it. She'll be fine.
If you really.
Then it's IRS.
If you really didn't care about dying, it'd be alright.
How are we going to die though? Because it's on your car.
It'll be good for a little bit.
Grant, can you grab that little rattle gun on the other side?
Wonder how bad these are actually going to be. Like.
Oh, yeah, I reckon, Nick, once we put all these in, we should actually pull these apart and then we can see all the oil's already gone anyway. That's one good sign there, all the oil's come out of the shock.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, we'll pull those off later and
So is the oil coming out?
To be honest, this shock looks alright. It sounds a bit gross when you compress it.
it's probably been leaking for that long, there's not even any oil left. Block at the moment. I just got like 12 acres of land cleared.
Oh.
And it fills up with water every year. We need to keep an eye out for another Starlet. Silicon up every hole in the car, the door and everything, put a little bilge pump in there and just go out, cruise around and then float in there.
See if you can make a submarine.
Well, a couple of years ago I actually drove a Starlet down there.
Do you actually want to do it?
Yeah.
We'll make a snorkel.
I drove a Starlet just we want to see how far it would go. The car started floating and the wheels weren't touching the ground anymore and eventually it sunk.
Do you want to make like a snorkel for it though?
You won't need to. If we glue up the holes, it'll float. Put some stupid paddles on the front wheels so you can actually drive it around in the water.
Matthew, do you reckon that shock absorber is going to be usable?
Oh, is that your one?
That's the old one?
Yeah, cool.
That's the new one.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's any better though.
New. Yeah, that's the important new.
This one we just took off. You don't have a spring. Your spring's not tension, bro. Don't worry about it.
Why don't you chop that one as well?
It's no better, eh?
Oh,
Oh, it's better than that one.
probably had air in it, so we'll just lift it up again. No, it's alright.
You sure? Press that one, yeah?
I don't. Still hasn't come back out.
Give it a go. And press that one, yeah?
It's definitely better than your
I
one.
just want you to give it a test.
Okay, you push both of them down.
Oh my god, yeah. Okay, I didn't realise that was so squishy. Alright. No, we're good. That's actually not bad.
Nick is finally on our side.
Oi, what do you reckon of my mad aftermarket lowered springs?
Aftermarket.
Yeah. I spent like
Where'd you get them
I spent like $3 on those.
Yeah, on a
$3
Makita.
worth of grinding disc.
Don't worry about it, should be right.
Yeah, spring compressors, how scary are they?
How did you cable tie?
You just keep putting cable ties on it.
Is that a thing?
Yeah, 100%. That's genuinely how I did it. It sounds dumb as, but
Not at all.
I'd have the strap like this on the ground pushing on it, and my mate would pulling cable ties down on the spring. It worked alright, like we got it on.
We're not dead.
I just got to pull this down in a different. We just got to pull the spring down in a different place, and it'll pull over now.
It's almost like he's done this.
Science, yo. Your science, your magnets.
Yeah. Yeah, science.
Yeah, perfect.
I put the little yellow thing on it. Oh, this is going to be the most unsuspecting car now, Matt.
That's sick, eh? I like that.
What, the sockies?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's gonna. Wait, bro, I got the microphone. And am I hectic?
Wait, is this actually going to drop?
I want that little rattle gun he had. Stop filming me, bro. I'll fucking take you. Where is his? Where's the little rattle gun? Where do you put it?
Yeah.
No, the little zippy one, the electric one. It's right in front of me. Nah, oi, my job. Oi, get away. Oi. Okay, but I also the guy I'm gonna get the kebab after this. What's stereo? The two wires? Yeah, it's when I got my doofs in the back. Stop walking around in circles, bro. I'm trying to get you.
Where's that 12 mil on the rattle gun? Oh, you got it.
I kept saying I got him, bro. Oh, that looks pretty bad, eh? Is she leaking, you reckon?
Find out.
Oh, it's an S13s.
Yeah, mate. You know me.
Bang.
Oh,
Hey, stay there, boys, stay there.
what? What?
Put the nuts on.
Oh, what?
Quick.
Quick suspension change. Come on, hurry up.
The suspension
Yeah,
change
she's on.
in under 6 minutes.
Oh,
Yeah,
I
that's your
mean,
next video, isn't it?
Ready?
Oh, I think that one's your problem, dude.
it's leaking everywhere. That's really bad.
I think that's why I felt like we were going to die all the time.
Did I tell you about the cop that I bought this car off?
The cop. Is he the one that...
It was a 50.
Yeah, it was a 50. Matt?
Whatever.
He's like, oh, it was a really good car, this. What are you going to do with it? And I was like, oh, probably just, probably aircon. I was like, probably just use it as a nice daily, bit of a cheap runaround car, you know? He's like, yeah, that's really good. Yeah, that's good. I'm glad to see it's going to be going to do that. Anyway, about a week later, it had a turbo on it, and I was doing a burnout, and one of my mates uploaded the video to Facebook, and the cop's daughter or son tagged him in the video.
Oh, that's hilarious.
I was like, oh no, don't do that.
Yeah, that's all right.
It feels like a normal car.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's it. Like that feels normal to me now. Like it's a little bit tight, but it's like it's like driving a car.
Test drive?
Yeah. Peter, jump in if you want.
Oh yeah.
You can
No, it's good, eh? It's like a brand new car.
What?
With the welding.
As bad as you were saying.
Oh, it's so much better now, hey. Actually, you can actually just drive it like a normal car now. It was really bad
Still
before.
feels a bit both like. The GT feels so much better.
Yeah.
Oh,
Starlet!
yes! Starlet!
Yes!
Yeah!
Yes! No traction at all.
It doesn't go anywhere.
But it doesn't feel as dead anymore. There's absolutely no traction.
It doesn't even go anywhere.
No, it just spins the tires. That's so funny.
Drive straight though?
Yeah, oh, it's better. I reckon it needs an alignment a little bit,
Yeah.
but it's like worlds different to drive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not doing like tractor pulling.
Nah, and to go around a corner, you don't have to like reef off the steering wheel. You can just drive like a normal car.
So it's half comfortable now.
Yeah, yeah. I'm not gonna cry anymore about it. Like I'd be able to
You
drive
were pretty
around.
upset last
I
week.
was pretty. I was like, there's no way I'm gonna be able to drive this car. I can't believe how bad those 30mm spacers made it. It makes sense that it would make it harder, but like that much harder.